Look there. I will bring my bottle of win. You want some? You're there. My bottle of win. At a ball,
Batty him
move.
attack.
Move,
He bring him
man.
Batty with him.
Then our Prime Minister, our Prime Minister ever going to and a chance to money for going.
Thank you, Angel. The man
Me
said
never
bring
see
it back
Andrew
up
going to
win.
talk and never have to pay for going.
Jesus Christ. Father God.
Yeah, Blank.
Eh?
Brickster.
Panama,
Yeah.
Panama.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck
Jesus
me,
God, we
how do you
can't
go deal
bother.
with labor right?
And since there,
I
Me
since day when
never
me
say
up on
that
the
people
fire,
like
you
can't
kids,
tell
man.
like PNP
he do
people
it all the
so.
while, man.
Oh, PNP lies, so man.
You know what I'm saying?
Anybody
I
sick
mean, you know
cadet?
what I'm saying? They go dangerous.
Yeah, man.
Munchie,
Anytime he
Why
go over
guys,
there,
me have
he
one
want
spot
impress
left on the
caution.
podium and me I left it. Me I try
Mun-
left it this cadet, you know. Because
Munchie,
anybody sick, anybody have cadet number, call cadet until cadet say me I call him. Anybody have
Munchie,
cadet number?
Get voicemail,
Munchie,
Munchie.
Munchie.
Eh?
So me want know how much money them make out of that the event. You see some money making event that was.
Yeah, man, it's a campaign fund, a campaign
Donation.
place, a cadet in Golo. A campaign donation in Golo. And he
More
go over there with a
Mostly,
mouth full of story.
me screenshot it and
Nothing,
me
you know,
send it.
you know, nothing to offer. Nothing.
but
Me screenshot it. Me screenshot it and send it to you so you can post it up on your TikTok when you're ready.
how much
Yeah,
money them
man.
can,
Nothing.
how
So
much
this
money
all
them can make
guys, me
up.
not really want to go back to Tina times because me know say me a Christian lady, me a lady of the Lord. I wanna sure say I Tina times we got a bar last night. We go see Mark Golding.
Yeah. Evening attire. That a fear
And
evening
they
Even
said they want 100 people.
so Tina times no.
and watch him sell the ticket at discount rate in about 10 people, $2,250.
10 people for how much?
2,250. So one person at 250. So 10 people at
So you get
2,225.
250,
Yeah, you got
250 off.
250.
Okay.
The
So
one go free.
you know
I
me didn't
wonder
get the
that
story
they
good in
want
our
to expect they
Insta.
go in for.
eventually
Eh?
can't stay there gift me, you know, cause me no friend boy, you know. Me no like boy. Me
Me
kids
never
is
get the
a
story good in
woman
our
like me
plan.
over here, so me no want a boy give me nothing.
No more candy.
Me never
Right.
get the story good at all, guys. So I addressed the Tina which they had 1,000. How much did they have there? How much people was there? How many persons in your estimation? Because you know you don't really count them. How much people did there?
That
Around
picture place
30.
probably about 10
Call
table
me
in there.
one. Anybody know if how sitting there Canada again? I call there Canada or a Sydney. Pedal.
Sydney man, call a
Yeah.
visa, call on a passport.
A
But
VA
Sydney no go.
geriatrics was there.
They say about 70 people did there.
And a mostly geriatrics.
Sydney there Canada or a call. Who up there?
You not true, Angel. Not true,
Munchie,
see argument.
Sydney.
why you put coal palm
You
plane
know
and
What
the man on the
Bloom?
mostly
Come
passport?
give me
Sydney there.
some roses, baby. Thank
I
you.
want this. Thank you, Bloom. Oh my God, Mr. Milliber, they come through for me. The only thing I want to know is one lion for run cross my
All right,
screen.
guys. Me go tell you something. Happy night. Take your candy and go on.
Don't you remember, say you get curfew time, you know, figure your bed with your husband, you know.
Guys,
No make them make you get a beat no over here.
No, that's
no,
Frank, that's
guys, listen to this. Listen to this.
That's why I put me on here so we can't stay as long as we want.
Listen
Me
to
here when
this,
he
guys.
says fear on us, I'll make you all heap of nice.
Listen to this.
Yes.
Listen to this.
Hey, plank, no easy, you know.
You know how me know say Sydney. You know, so me know say Sydney are wicked. You think some man will have 8 teeth can pass a medical to go on farm work?
Sydney,
It's
they
a
are
long time you go on this now for the medical.
Petal, you know. What do you mean by that? Explain.
Because that is you're at risk for choking. That is a choking hazard. You need to have denture.
Oh, you can't come here and no teeth.
I will let the farm work, you go back go cool.
You never can pass medical without the teeth.
You
But
go cool.
it's a long time you go petal.
In a matter, but you have to do your medical all the time. Them are going to pass you. Cannot forget to end up on farm work without teeth.
It's a taxi man driver, it's a lie matter.
Which one?
Jamaica.
What do you mean here one woman and raise him up? What do you mean here one woman and raise him up at 10? Where you park the car and stuff? Where you park the car? It look like the person where my drive for.
I lie matter when a Jamaica in there, you can't trick me.
I don't make a
You can't go on farm work without no teeth. Them are going to tell you if you fix your mouth and come back.
Jesus God, Panama.
A real talk, Sherman.
The bataball attack here, the plank.
Hungry belly at a bar.
Uber
Atabal.
driver make money a foreign
Hold
boy.
on. Atabal. Me drive Uber. Me make $3,000 a week, boy.
And you work when you want to work.
Exactly. And
I'm work when more hour.
he could
The
have
line
paid
looking at my belly
he could have
whole
paid
day today. I
250. He
know
could
me
have
not go
paid
out that door.
$250. He could have paid $250 for going on one dinner if he
You
didn't work
understand?
Uber. You
So if
can't
I
even
Uber
find
me
the
drive,
first dollar to go
me
support
still have
your
me
comment
trade and me
leader.
business.
You see, they like that
Sada man.
on things where people do for a
You
living.
have your own
At least, you know, at least
Uber
plan
job is
not
not a
been over.
crime.
you have your own vehicle, you have your own house.
Me have my own
All
vehicle
them
Right.
them and me have my own house. Batty boy. Batty
Uber
ball.
is not a crime at a bar. He could have paid $250 to go see Prime Minister. You couldn't find the first dollar to go see Mark Golden yesterday.
At a
You
bar,
can't
but
even
you
find the
bar,
first
you
dollar
know.
to pay your car note come next week.
No,
At
but
a bar,
the girl
You
Tina.
go sit down. Stay in
but
your
you
lane. Stay in your
you
lane,
know.
man.
At a
When
I
bar,
remember say,
you call for 250, you know.
want to see one lion I run across the screen before the month end.
when me see the girl Tina, you know, when me see girl Tina in her pregnancy state, I drive her Kia, one old Kia, where
But
I
you know,
like
you
get,
see, you mean the girl that drive an old Kia?
look like it get a lick. A food she a pick up like a Uber Eats she a do. Some of them know what the big thing.
Pass me. That's why you see, guys, you know, say me go for y'all sheet now. Cause remember, say me get banned to stay on your side now, so me time to go back home. So, you see, me go for your sheet now, no for your sheet. Paid me then now. Wanna say? Petal, repeat that, please. Petal, no, don't repeat it. Come, me know you this, my friend Tina. Like, I
Me
like
say when
Tina.
me see the girl, when me see the girl, me a pray her right a financial drive.
You're the one maestro about Angel make you with PC and green. Maestro, we're not going to sit down. Allow labor right woman alone.
And me see Sarah run. When the girl a pick up food, tape up food in a bag look like a Uber Eats she a do. Yeah?
Wow.
And she know no lie. And she know say it's a basement she living in a Brampton. Nothing wrong with that, how you live. But them a go on like say,
Things are going for them.
Jamaica are the
I
worst
split.
place ever. If she did that, Jamaica, she did not do the what the driver, what the sitting name
In
of
drive.
Jamaica food delivery.
Oh, they have a
DoorDash.
couple still.
Petal, you know,
DoorDash.
anytime the PNP people and catch your dog,
When
never
I have
stop and
DoorDash
do.
at Jamaica, discussion.
I'm planking was the anytime the PNP then find Petal, she dead door.
Lie them I tell.
I'm not
You see,
100%.
the only difference with me and Petal, you know, is that me make video show my face and cause PNP. She worse than me, you know. I want to know. But you hear her?
You see,
Anytime the
Petal go for
PNP they catch
Petal go
Petal,
for
dog, near my super
Petal go
gang.
for the VG live
The
and
dangerous
give you the
man.
Richards.
You
He say,
you
he say, see him there, him a thief.
you
Him go
Richard.
work on people in place and thief the linen.
I'm put free some out of business, but now you Richard, hey, you Richard smart, you Richard now want me custom in a you Richard
Oh,
say,
la, la.
I
yeah,
can make
Other
it
Him a
work.
try, him a try friend you know.
day, them I said that I they like you know, Petal. You,
yeah.
but then I like goodie.
Keep their note. I am
You
a
Blair,
mirror.
you Blair, I said, a Petal I like, man, but then I like goodie. She got goodie that box and cost them still time.
Make him go away, but him not like goodie.
I
That's why
know.
I not
I'm a
like
try
me
friend, him a
either.
try
He
friend
don't like
Philippine
him.
though.
I
Yeah,
don't like
Yeah,
that dirty
goodie.
boy with
Philippine.
thief fabric. I don't like
Philippine.
him.
I
Make
hear
him go away.
him call first.
Yeah,
Me know him not
Philippine
like
too.
me, I'm goodie, but me class him, that's why.
And then, but caution hate me. Caution hate all of we.
Yeah, but catch and I like that.
Yes, the caution need up on my name since evening. But I
All
keep my
last night.
comfortable. Him not have a bed.
When the girl Philippine and Goody and Munchie and Petal must call all our name.
If I go have high blood
Batman,
pressure.
caution a Batman. You can
What
go.
Me
what
sure say, Kasha
Remember
no sleep
say,
last night. Guy,
the Batman, Dre Bryan, he said caution. Him said to caution, I hope your woman not go feel no way like how we are texting her. You know, because me in a relationship with Dre Bryan and then them go follow. Yeah, my Batman long time.
Hey, tell Batty Ball to listen to this. You know what they sound there?
Veronica say some of them just couldn't
He rich
go.
there?
It's
You not
rent
think you
time
know it.
and the welfare money is not enough. But they
You
call
might
it
just say,
baby
That
but
bonus,
you see,
Veronica,
she
because
come,
Petal
she
the
come
baby
back
bonus
here.
run.
She come back
So
here.
Petal, the more children you have, the more bonus you get. Or the baby bonus go.
Let me tell you.
Yeah, man,
More
the more
pick me up,
children you
buy
have,
more money
You
again.
see like how, all right. So how it go based on income, right?
Yeah.
So when you reach $60,000, if you have an income, whether you and your spouse or you alone, have 60,000 or more, they start, they start figure out how much them are gonna give you.
like tax credit over here.
The child tax credit, baby bonus. Every child we're
Yeah.
born in a Canada get it, right?
Mm.
Yeah.
Based on your income. If you make
So you
like
know what $900 Tina get.
you're not gonna get nothing
It's
much.
a
But
set amount. It's a set amount based on circumstances,
based on
isn't it?
your income. So you see like how
Yeah.
she know, cause she not really have no work. And me see her on her page I do some scamming something she about people to sign up and
Jesus God.
whatever not, right?
Because most women go party and work, you know, 'cause if you're not
Lord,
working,
when they catch your Petal in a problem.
So like how she have a newborn baby and she not work no way. She go first start out with I get close to like $700 go be her base, right? But because she have a child under 2, she go get one extra benefit. So Tina will get like about $900 every 28th of the month. At that me pay tax for. Every 20th of the month, Tina I will get like at least one $900. Then
So Petal, you said that you are pay tax for?
yeah. Then I get,
Welfare, most of your tax money go to in a some country.
but Tina no work, so she need it because she need the money to pay her rent fee basement.
no, but you get money, rent money different too.
So she forgot no that so then she forget anterior work, so the welfare.
Yeah, then how much the bar welfare, I know.
Yeah, but the welfare money is not even $1,000 good.
And she depend on TikTok and
But
YouTube,
that
so she
can't
probably
help,
alright.
boy.
No, but it depends on the place where you're getting it.
So like the
If you
basement
get the,
So
apartment.
TikTok, let me ask you a question, Rick
yeah,
Star.
if you get the anterior
TikToker
housing,
in
it's better.
Canada make money for video and for views?
No, but it
Yeah,
Yeah,
don't
man.
sign up their
Yeah, but
account.
you have to get over. All right, you see, if you get like 100,000 views, you need only per views to get bit money for views. Only.
But
But if
some
you're there in
people
Jamaica, you get 100,000 views and not get no money.
No,
no,
Jamaica
what
don't
some
pay.
people do, they register their account in the States or Jamaica.
So how they register them their account in a foreign and they have Jamaica number.
So it you can do it if you have
Like a
American number.
VPN.
It can
I have
You
American
can use
number.
the VPN to trick them say
yeah,
they're foreign.
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Oh, so never tell me that long time.
All you have to do is set it up with one Jamaica number, with one US number.
So Rickster, when you give me a
Yeah.
2 second, Rickster, cause this not safe. I mean over TikTok cat. Me can't stop beg roses and do that then.
No, me think me tell you something. It's a video and views. It take a whole heap of views to make real money. So you have to make video where I get 100 million views and them something.
Okay,
You
so
see
it's
me?
hard for though.
Yeah, so that's why I see most people nobody do content, then just beg, straight, play a game, play a match.
Oh yeah, right. All right. So that's why me going to play a match. Rickster, so me going to match now.
Yeah, I most direct way that to make
Yeah,
money
play
off of
match.
Yeah,
TikTok.
but me
Okay,
don't know if
guys,
play
so
match.
when
But
look here.
when I'm nice neighbor right, them I go teach me, no worry.
No, but look here now. Me
Go
not
back there then, teacher.
me not bash nobody because
Jaden, depend love fest now in all the time.
a work is a work. And if you make your
At least
honest bread,
they're not thief.
if you make your
Jaden,
honest
no
bread,
family lock down tight. Me not trouble them.
Dante, baby bonus,
See,
you
Angel
not
in
gonna
I
get
chat,
more.
they no plan, says you are one baby.
About $900 man.
Angel
Where
want
you
a
tell them?
baby.
But they have to do over Canada. So we don't know who.
Tell her if you come check me, man.
She said Canada, you have to hear Canada so she can get
Oh,
the
yeah,
benefit.
Canada. Oh, okay, Angel.
Where
As
you
much
have
as
Tell her if you come check me at US and carry baby go to Canada.
the baby bonus sound good, me coulda in my age, you know, me coulda never bought more
where you
baby
have
at time my
one
foot.
little girl.
Cause me
Munche,
have
Congratulations,
plenty
Munche,
girl.
you need to
sweetheart.
get one more baby. One picnic and a picnic.
Then listen to this now, guys. She qualify for one next something name.
Yeah, petal.
Huh?
You get food stamp petal.
No. They're not food stamp. So she can get baby bonus. Then she can get her anterior works, which are the welfare part. She can get like about $1,000 for she and the baby. Then, because like how she had the baby now, she'll get one little extra something for the baby, right? And she family of two. And then, on top of it now, you have all kind of different benefits. So you have one GST benefit that must pay every. Me not get this now, but it pay every quarterly, I think. And like
Them
what,
they have people who are worthless of foreign, man.
like what she, but she, and also she workless. She just not have the. If she had the Uber Eats and she not really have a steady job, she will get the maximum benefits. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
Me tell
what we're
you,
trying to
enough
establish,
people, enough people don't work.
excellent,
I tell you
is that
something,
Tina
Shanna.
Times not broke and poor. So I'm me telling you something, man. I know nobody be surprised if I not buy Tina go buy that for her last night, cause
yeah,
Tina do no style and she cannot dress and she
yeah.
don't have no good friend.
She not a good friend
I go
because
live buy, she go buy the outfit there, no? She go have that ugly shoes a long time
she
and say,
no business to
I'm gonna
put
buy the wig and the dress.
she no
Then
business to
my
put
goalie look
nothing
better.
on belt round her waist.
Yeah, you
No,
have
no
people.
business to put on a belt round her waist. That's a number one. Number two, she just have
Thank
a
you,
baby.
Chromas, are you there? I
She have
don't see your
one
phone
baby.
when.
She need to put on one girdle. She be put on one,
Gurgle.
and she supposed to have
And a
her belly.
nice dress.
Yeah, and one
You
belly
know, with
band.
drop off our belly, nice dresses fit her nice and fit her good man and fit
And
her
put you
shape.
should have
Dress
wear
they
one of
can
them
fit
dress
skin
the
and
way
shape.
people are wearing a cowboy movie with the whole heap of string them when they dry up in chest. Come up.
No. Right
Cassette
now,
attack.
Yeah.
right near where she live, near where she live,
Rich sir.
you have one
Yeah.
store.
Now back in the
You
days the
have
cowgirl them
Super
hard
Rich
for
said
them,
no
you
more
know.
gossiping.
A
All
true
right,
man.
Super
You
Rich, no
can't take
more
off them
gossiping. All
clothes.
right.
Eh? The
You can't
cowboy
take
they
off
wear
them
too much
clothes.
clothes, man.
all she have to do, I go to one place near one store near Laura.
Angel,
She not live far from there,
you should
so.
have wear one of dress the way cowgirl they wear,
Or she
man.
could have get one simple black dress or one blue dress
The dry
or
trim
What
them.
time come for Anju?
I may I
Time
tell
come
you
for
right,
Anju to
man.
do what, Jermaine?
May I tell you such a smell of curry, you know, because she live in a
Jermaine,
Brampton.
you send me any gift? You send me
I
any
would
So she
gift?
live
walk
near
on
when
the
I
road.
curry
I be an
house.
Indian live
You
there.
support the life
Yeah, may I
goal?
tell you,
Because
I would
about
walk
time
on the
come.
road and smell of curry.
Remember
That's
to
why they
check
shit so.
and Sheikah live on YouTube when you all finish here.
Atabal.
Indian around the sun.
Atabal.
What time she alive? What time she alive?
All I let me tell Atabal something. All I let me tell Atabal something. Bumba wall Atabal. Let me tell you something, pussy. Me pay 40 blood clot $1,000 last year in a tax, pussy. So just imagine how much me make. Move for yourself. Yeah? You think so within this a waste time? Go ahead. Oh.
And him no work
Rich.
that for year in a petal.
Come and ask about if me pay tax. If you have a
Money for
drunk,
days.
Me make that in a 2 month.
Oh.
if me no work Tina na niam, and you na niam neither. So go ahead.
Make 45,000 in a 2 month.
Oh.
Petal no save women nobody not judge Petal. Me tell her say she terrible. Anytime come here then catch her dog nyam her supper.
Oh man,
Contract
and
work.
we have this to
Atabal,
protect petal.
don't worry about what she not get at a ball. Worry
Pussy.
about how you couldn't find the
Pussy.
250 if you go to Mark Woody last night.
Pussy. People will make
Worry
6
about you
figures.
couldn't find the money if you go
Can't
to
get
Mark Woody last
GST.
night. You broke
Move
and
for
poor and
yourself.
can't find it.
And I'm me send you up no further, yeah? Oh.
Could you take Petal off of the choir just like that?
Look like we're muting Petal guy, my God.
And
Cause guess
Petal,
what?
see if you no rich
Guess
star
what?
look there.
Yes,
Just like that Petal come
Atabal.
off of the choir.
Yes,
Yeah?
Atabal. Yes, Atabal. Atabal are one of them pussy hole in a way. You see when it come every quarterly, if a GST not going in account and drop down,
Yeah, can't survive.
Oh,
No, in
that
the welfare
pen,
to my, and I forgot to tell them all about him batty work. We get
that
them money.
pen before and get make it stay,
Yeah, man,
bullshit.
after welfare, man, they ask about all
What do you
like
mean you
batty.
send request? You send any request? We don't
Oh,
stop tell like romance.
sometimes you hear them,
Oh, Petal could have seen you send request and not add. You stop tell like man.
you
And
hear
Petal
them, you
already
got the
added.
mall.
You just start
You go
going.
out of the mall. You go out of the mall and then you hear them and say, "Oh, I don't know when my GST is gonna come in.
Yeah.
I get my GST by mail, and it's due this and that date, and I need to sign up to get it into my account." Atabala one of them, that bumbo where you see there in the comment section here.
That's about the welfare,
Them
man.
so you add him, Dames. I didn't
First of all, we know we have to follow up Atabal for because Atabal couldn't find 250.
Plank, you
Atabal
can't
couldn't
show that.
find
My name
250.
banana in a plank.
Tell Atabas
Me
when they
make
have this
plank,
seed.
me make that.
Plank, my name,
Instagram on the
my name.
live, you know,
My
what
name
the
on your
plank?
page in a
Yeah.
plank.
No, plank, my name, though.
Our plan just go.
Then we
Jesus
take down your...
So we
Christ
have
of
that seed, yeah?
Nazareth. Me
Bad
eyes
be bad.
totally shut. See,
Yeah.
see them I tell them why me tell us me eye totally shut, guys. We never see
Be
plank.
bad.
Petal.
We never see.
Jesus, guys, watch
Petal all look for
it,
the
guys.
phone.
Me eye totally shut.
Bad we bad.
Atabali, I'm showing me T4 drunk.
Well,
Yeah,
that's what me not asking about the request.
Good evening, family. Good
Right.
evening. Good
Yeah,
evening,
real
I
big.
everybody.
said, I just look up Petal up here, so I cut the
Ian drag
people.
one.
She not ask if it are the people them.
No, me not get
Here
it.
with Chrome, as I said, he
Big
sent
up,
Petal
Flan.
request
No,
from
when
when?
Petal in her box, it hard for add people, you know, because she have to
Me,
click
me,
on it
me
something and
can't
then...
Your
see
angel, me
request,
gone.
Munchie.
You don't see if it truth, angel. Me, I totally shut. Me now look. I don't know what wrong with plank.
Tell them say bad we bad.
You never hear,
What is wrong with plank, guys?
you never
Yeah,
hear,
right.
you never hear where my deal with him there background. Me know when show, you know. Me just know when show, cause me hear my deal with it.
Easy, plank, easy.
Bad we bad Gaza, bad we bad. Bad we bad. So tell no Batman PNP friends, so we not afraid of them. A long time we are do this.
Nobody don't see it and send it to TikTok. I make TikTok.
Then
Bad
couldn't see it.
for a week.
Then couldn't see it, man.
After me, I work so hard on the little page because
Then can't see it, Munchie. A who for you I quick see it.
so me see it. I mean, not even a look.
Alright.
My eye just happen, you know. My eye just happen to look up there, so. And coming up, Petal, please to leave Atabal alone and leave Tina Times alone. Me like Tina
No, me
Times.
want show Atabal me T4, no, but Atabal I forgot show in T4 with zero income. And that
No,
Then I have to show him nothing better.
Atabal don't even have a pat for pissing. I go sit down.
You know, see, man couldn't afford 250 figure.
Not even a
Say,
part.
he must say something free and somebody else say it have a pay.
So for me, he not no
So how him
credibility.
going?
Rixta,
Never
thank
go
you.
there.
Yeah.
It
He
never
not
go
no
anywhere.
credibility. And that in, so nobody can find Kedet all now. Kedet me want to find it now because I don't know
You
what
see very
they're
there, you know.
going to.
What is a fundraiser, my people? What is a fundraiser? It's something to make money.
Kedet invite Ryan
Yeah,
Sanders.
100%.
Kedet, are you that near Ryan Sanders?
Yeah.
Are you on the pitch there now? Of course, I Kedet. Don't look on the pitch. Don't click on Ryan Sanders and see if I don't Kedet that.
Yeah. Where you said them? Hold on, Cadet. If I Cadet there, hold on. Let me hear what them
Ryan
bring up.
Sanders, Kedet Sanders, a 2-page you have.
Yeah. Hold on.
Text me in the chat, Kedet, and tell me if you're that near Ryan Sanders, because I know you're that. You can't
Hold on,
trick
no
me.
more. Let them start.
So what I say is
Type in the chat
fundraiser
and tell me.
is a fundraiser, right? So
Guys, remember to
what goal
support the
is
live goal. Remember, I want one lion, I want one whale, I want one interstellar, I want one meter shower, I want one great name, one will plane a fly across the screen. We call that king. Will helicopter fly across the
A
screen.
plane, man.
Interstellar.
A
See,
plane.
Kedet, no, sir. One page Kedet Sanders up. Kedet! I see all the page with Sir Ryan, whatever. Kedet, me ready for you. All the Kedet them backs. Come quick. We don't go to make Kedet come. Oh, Jesus.
Please, may I beg you now?
Let them talk and then we bring up Cadet in the DM
I
box.
gotta jump up.
Come, Kedet. Come.
Cadet.
So where DM jump for? DM say something to jump.
Good evening, everybody. But Munchie, may I see you?
Good evening.
May I
That's the
see you?
wagwan.
Petal, may I beg you add Cadet?
Okay.
And who?
I'm requesting me I left work now, so I can't stay. But Petal, why you kill me so? In PNP, never go
That's how she stay, man. They go inside the PNP, then catch her.
Petal, add back names.
Kedet say in
Inside
a
the
public, so you
PNP,
have to hold
catch
on
her.
it too.
Nyamar
The way
suffer.
Cadet piss me off, me never even follow Cadet. All right, me
I
send
don't want
Cadet.
Kedet agree come out of the box because Kedet are come. Kedet, we answer the request for Kedet.
He say in a public. She text in the chat there.
Public, come
Okay.
out public, Kenneth, because this is burning issue. Go in your car. I don't want Kenneth agree come out of the chat because I don't take off nobody. Me only say one. Only one person did need to go. Cause I'm just one this spot. Me I leave it to Kenneth. Thank you, King.
Liam can't
Listen,
talk, man.
guys.
I can get you.
Panama, guys. Hopefully, me can see one line I run across my screen very soon.
Yeah. I'm rolling.
Shit. When we get the tax return, I get the lion now. What's cool, man?
No worry yourself, Gucci. I just time. That and time.
Yeah, man, we'll start play game.
That's what kind of work you come from this hours of morning.
Which morning at 7 o'clock at Jamaica now.
7 o'clock at Jamaica, in a night.
That's the me mix you up with the girl at England. Me mix you up with what she name at
A
England.
Sparkle Diamond, I think.
Doesn't live at Portland. Sparkle Diamond live at England.
I mix them up.
Sparkle Diamond.
That's what you see Andre run at Portland?
Yes, my love. In my parent, we have rather agriculture show Thursday.
Hey,
And
yeah, man, we see it.
in the end, live and living colors, my love.
Oh, Sparkle Diamond. So Sparkle Diamond.
When did they do?
How much soccer field Miss Bag do it?
And nobody now look.
Everybody get 2 bag of feed.
On a meet and greet.
I
The
feel
PNP
little
never greet
group
him
of
and
people in the
smile with
back.
him.
Nobody not crowd at the back.
And nobody not really
The
follow
PNP
them.
never look for him on the labor right, never fought for him, don't they?
That's
PNP, they
a
would
port
have
and Tony come from.
for the old time one day. Boy used to the parish councillor with to check within
He
our
doesn't. A port here come from?
West
In a
Portland.
Oh,
West Portland, but me do business at East Portland.
I mean, I say,
How
I
much-
told you people in a free school fall back, run up and down back at them.
How much container of feed Miss Daz give over there?
What about half load of container of feed.
You see everybody I walk with 2 bag of 1 bag of feed.
On the head.
And they all the woman them.
Yeah?
There, me see.
Remember saying no, if it's a money thing they want over east, you know, they can't win with money, you
Then
know.
give a chicken. Then give a machete to farmers. All that.
You know
I
that plan.
feed me chicken feeding.
If it's a money thing they want over east, you know, they can't manage it fast, you know. Cause them pocket deep.
Damn, you there work tonight?
Them better know that. May I leave shortly?
Damn, they can't hold the mic, you know.
Rich people, they're
Take a break,
Portland.
What are y'all for, boy?
Marco. So let me ask you a question. So Andre and I sat around there, walk up and the ground and I meet and greet and I do canvas and stuff.
I guess them are the canvas, but I'm going to tell you the truth, Monty.
You see them walk up and down?
This Batman stigma them, and nobody not really
It will
support
kill them, cause we don't want them, no want that over east. I tell you.
everywhere you see Miss Vaz vehicle at the music, we don't want no teacher man come on here. I will sing a song there.
Tell them my part. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
One day.
Another one there.
Which one?
We know which one they attack. They want to say, we know one, no teaching man, boy.
Yes,
Sanchez
hello.
sing that one.
Sanchez.
Yes, Sanchez.
Oh, Sanchez.
And that I team song for labor right them over here.
Yeah. For your power, teaching man, they can't stay on there.
Right. They were killing money. Already then go back they and then running away. Yeah.
I spread that, man. We don't want no more spread over there, man.
I start to take a while to him connected with the people.
By connect election, keep Anne-Marie win.
So why don't have
But me you're saying he run there introduce himself as cartel lawyer. No name.
That can't help him.
Portland people are frightened to entertain, you know. Because Popcorn is a man where they are Portland regular, you know. So people are run back at him.
Why them
I never
file stuff instead of Portland all the time?
Hey,
Get
wanna
it
pick up
ready,
Thomas
Munchie.
now?
Get it ready. Get it ready.
What?
Oh, Cadet, same request the box.
Take it
Oh,
back,
You got empty
Munchie.
box right there.
Grande ma pari na kusiwanja.
Do you hear me?
straight man
The
up.
place get back hot, me turn it back.
Yeah, you're a cadet, but we don't know
Get
what the
it.
internet.
Plug out the phone from the wall.
That's secret.
Get it. Get it.
I get nothing out of this.
Get it.
man.
The internet bad man.
Force them deliberately go which part of the internet now work. Come on, Papa, come on.
Even think he might get to it tonight.
Yes.
You feel scared, you know?
Come on, man. Oh.
Munchie,
More ask him
full
a
of
couple
generalship.
questions.
Munchie have fixed him yesterday, see?
More ask him a couple questions. More have to know if he is a part of the people, if he's a part of the Jamaica Labour Party, if he's a member, if he's part of the executive, what is in problem? Good night, JLP. Good night, Nikki. Good night, Sandy. Good night, Sherry. Good night, every single Labour right. Tap up the screen. It is now 8:07.
But me not
And
say
we
myself
are
from there.
coming off. Here's a couple Labour right live and a couple Labour right up on YouTube. So we can come off when anytime we can come off now, we don't come in over here.
No, we get to Cadet first and then we come off.
Yes, yes.
Cadet come up.
When we done with Cadet, we are go over Lashika YouTube live on wait name Shika J
Positive Jamaica. Positive Jamaica.
Yeah, Positive Jamaica.
Okay.
But I have another name I can use to search and find her easy.
Okay.
So when Cadet say ma come? On school
Can it
from
was
there.
here, but it's the internet bad.
You want a
Yeah.
backstop media?
run.
Chopper, would I read up to one line and run across the screen, you know? R1 wheel,
Ain't ready then, ain't ready.
Insta,
Alright,
one train.
Cadet.
You know that add him, hold on.
Upgraded.
Instead of add him, and we might need a back to chops too.
No, we don't need no back to chop. Me need a wheel, a cross. What you talk about back for Philippine?
No, me want chopper up here when
Yeah, me want
when
chopper
Cadet.
up here.
Want chopper up here. James, let me back your box, James. Me go add
Me
your back.
don't want chopper.
Alright.
Me
You
tell
can't get
chopper
mine,
what
no,
I
you
go on
can't
over
get
here.
mine.
So chopper, a
can't
wheel
get
will be perfect. I run cross
No,
the screen, you
me
know.
want chopper when Cadet up here.
Or no, total. We don't want chopper when.
Hey, Munchie, you hear me?
Yes,
Perfect,
of
so
course.
we can hear you good.
So a wheel, one lion, one universe,
Somebody.
interstellar, all one screen. That is the
Hey,
gift
Munchie,
of
just have
God to
to
the people
wait
of
until I go
Woodland
find the
Parish.
Wi-Fi. You have to wait until I
And
go
keep
find the
the life
Wi-Fi.
goal
The
up my
data is
channel
shit.
so support support my life goal.
The data is shit.
Cadet, we soon come
Okay?
off.
All right. Cadet, what Cadet gone?
Man gone again, star.
Who move him?
At him.
The data or
Okay.
He turned up on one ship.
Yes, King.
Alright, let James
Jolly,
come back
support
up
my
here.
life goal, please, and thanks. We have a lot of things up
Share
in there
life
to
goal
buy.
expired. You need to
Team that
We
come back now.
have Rose,
Munchie, him gone again.
we have Anart, and we have donut over the chopper. Chopper that's not for you, you know. They little gift to me a top, but it's not your gift, them they know. They don't give that for Jamaican people.
request.
Then give that for Jamaican
You have to
people.
reset your life goal. It expire.
Yeah, Munchie set them smaller so you can achieve them.
Oh, you say chopper trace with your add. What trace? Let me just see trace from what there.
In the boat, man. You see him this morning.
Hey,
Higher flame. Link Andrew Oles, you get a lion wheel, and you don't worry about that higher flame. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about
Blackie.
that. With the company
Andrew
live
always give
too,
him more than
the
whale
live
and lion
too, them
munchie.
sub only live. So the me going to change my subscription to from $200 something. Me bring it down a little cheaper.
I have to look like a comrade from Lucy.
And then you can sub, we're gonna leave. Do not worry about that. What you said to cadet now, Lord Jesus, poor cadet.
Cadet, come in at the box now.
You say internet is bad.
Cadet need to turn a soldier now. Cadet have a picnic.
You know he was in the JCF?
Why am I calling himself cadet?
I don't know.
No big on cadet, man.
No, man, the
Jesus
other name
Christ.
that they give me
But
now,
you
me so you still
are
away with it.
YouTube
We
channel.
know what cadet is, enough. High school business that.
Munchie,
Yeah.
we're going for them YouTube channel.
Anytime you get a lion, me go over there.
Muncha make baby,
As soon
send
as
have
one
a
of
time to YouTube.
as soon as one of the subscribers, one lion run cross the screen, me gone over YouTube fast.
All
I
right,
won't put it before the year done.
Which
My God.
algorithm your page in a Munchie?
All
Oh, in a Jamaica
all of us
algorithm.
all of me can reach 1,000 subscribers. We may not understand no. Cause we don't know subscribe, we don't know. Me could family and friend and a pitney subscribe. So we can
Which
get
part
to
of it? And
1,000.
also
Your page
YouTube, bro.
enough
Let me
to
show
pick
you
me.
something. If you want to grow your YouTube fast, it's when you do your live them on TikTok, download it and post it over there.
Same time.
And you see how fast you get subscribers. Can me see
Yeah,
other people,
YouTube, we
me
have to
see other
put out
people
every
post your
day.
me see other people post your live over there. No? Can me see your live on YouTube already.
Yeah, Jalix, what's the latest in South Sudan? What do you mean by latest, Jalix? Jalix, did you send me a rose or a donut or a anat? What you talk about now? What
Answer.
going down there? What going down there? Sometimes I don't understand no labor right now. Uno go like say uno only wear green shirt, but you don't know a thing. But wouldn't be able to look yourself, man. Eh? Wouldn't be able to look yourself.
Petal, play back the video with caution there. Let me hear it.
Better go and drink her tea, Plank. Please. Why you even shove her here so she don't drink her tea? As a matter of fact,
No,
Fran, you
no,
there, come,
no. Me just,
me
me
eat
just
nothing
get
there,
something
so.
there, Munchie, what me gonna share with you. Me just get something. What me gonna share in a bit
Oh, me
here.
more, no, from me there, so, and hours me there, so.
Play video, let me hear again, Petal.
We want to share it with me. Panic program, I saw when you come off.
On WhatsApp.
Is that video?
One recording, yeah.
What Chroma's there?
Or recording of me?
Where you say Chroma 7-inch?
A
Hey,
recording of me or a recording of
love me.
Sydney, I don't
Love
know.
me.
No.
If it's a recording
What?
of PNP, I don't mean I want you in front of kind of waste of time.
Dames.
You don't listen to them, you know.
Dames.
Yo, family.
I tell us
Where
me not go
Thomas
to
there?
school, go out and
Thomas!
drink, but today I work.
Out of
Thomas, you
studio
do the thing to me
Yeah.
already? Peter,
tomorrow
listen to
night,
me.
man.
You know, so young Thomas done, you know.
Maybe
Because you
me I go work.
never add Thomas
Me
to
I
the
go
box
work
and make the
tomorrow
box
night.
stay full up on you.
Why? The money double up on our brother, so you don't know you got. So on Thursday, we just
Okay.
stop
Can't
working.
Thomas for yam grass all evening.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
No, sir, I don't understand.
So we out there do it, you know?
Me attack
Yeah,
for
man.
evening, I'm not eating nothing.
If you're there foreign
Wow.
and gas food up,
Evening people.
if you're there,
Never want me on the box tonight,
Resta.
Munchie.
Oh, me
Good
not eat
Resta.
evening,
on
good
for
evening, good evening,
evening. Eat
everybody.
before I come up on the live,
Yeah,
but
man.
Big up,
hours now, me
Cromans,
for
big
eat
up.
again.
Good
Bless
evening,
up, bless up.
Chromas.
Yeah, yeah. Well, like Munchie
Thomas,
never want me in our box tonight. I don't know what.
You have
Thomas,
a
you
place
ordered
over
something
here.
to me already? You ordered something?
No, I'm
Wait, then
not.
I
I'm not
finish.
getting a call. I'm not getting a call me back. You know, tell me if I make no order.
No, we have a place
Find out the
over
price
here,
that
man.
I'm in WhatsApp you and tell you what I go on already.
Not to like Thomas.
It's a $5 for one I against them. $5 a
Not
piece.
to lie, you use a problem.
I'd get it. I think he say internet good now.
There's a problem to me,
Okay, add
Thomas.
cadet. Come back.
Team there.
Add cadet, people.
I'm already, man. Chromas, me tell you
Team
something.
there. Team the young
We
so.
come a town 2 days last week and you
Munches the Canada.
yeah, man, me see. Me I try to tell a little
Munches just
business
that.
with Thomas. Why
You,
Thomas
you want me to
really
play?
lame, you know?
Promise the year we going last night.
In
Hold
my
on, the munchie.
in box. Get it in the box.
Yeah, man, tell it
Hold
now,
on.
man.
Yeah,
Tell it,
Philip,
hold
I'm in
on,
a box,
tell it.
man.
Yeah.
Box.
No, sir.
Get it.
So me not see cadet. Me not ghost mode.
In the man, in my ball, they must say,
Me
over your
not
style.
see
On the
my
right
ear.
side of
In
Thomas.
the below your Philippine.
In the
In the
right side
other.
of Thomas.
We
He me
can't
not, he me
bother, you
not,
know.
he me not ghost mode. Come out
In
of
the
Get
there.
it.
No,
in the
me I see him good, but me I see him good.
in
You
the
can
other
see ghost.
Philippine.
You can see ghost.
In Ghana
We
now.
can't bother.
Oh man, in picture the up, man. In picture the up. Me that see him picture. Me don't know, like some people can't, man, some can't see him.
I
Hold on.
internet, man. I internet.
Hold on. Plank want me play something. Plank want me play something.
And Chromas don't say nothing. Just listen.
Just listen. Don't say a word.
Oh, them mother, when people tell us that maybe a lens to be exact, Barbary pussy. Come, go suck out your mother. Fuck me. You don't see me name? You don't see me name? Yeah. Barbary pussy, Linstead, come on Linstead, Barbary. That is an area, man. More an example, road. Barbary.
Yeah. There you have it.
Get it.
Me tell you that get it now.
All right.
Mama,
It's
And
a
if plan,
credit last shot.
Me can't take the game.
if nobody know nothing about Banbury, you know, man, them from Banbury no play. All right.
Last night, them pretty there.
Get it?
Am I being heard?
No.
Yes, get it. You've been heard.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, me that China. Telephone her. Yeah, what some more from here, me and make out of me now.
Yes. Get it.
Oh, I never appear.
Right.
And are you
Right.
a
God, again.
get it? Are you a supporter of the Jamaica Labour Party?
Eh?
Are you a supporter of the Jamaica Labour Party? Currently.
Internet bad.
Or maybe now I answer the question.
Oh, gee.
Here, him
No,
something
man.
that
The internet
react
was going
live.
Can't hear you, you know.
Get it?
Oh, when I hear we are here, Pino Wally.
Somebody ask something.
Exactly.
Eh?
You are currently
Are
are
you
supporter
a
of the
supporter
Jamaica
of the
Labour
Jamaica
Party?
Labour Party currently? Yes or no?
All right. I'm going to answer that now.
Oh, please, God.
It's a yes or no question, you know.
So that the question
Man,
they are, get
hesitate.
it?
You don't already know what it is.
Okay, say
Hesitation
man
and
of
no
PNP.
answer is an
Yeah,
answer as
answer.
well.
You know, so me got black you again.
You want to pause
No
the game?
answer.
Can't answer this.
So get
No
it?
answer is
And
an
then we go
answer
on
as
your
well.
page and me see some things. Cadet, what you have with the woman? What you have with Mama D?
It no matter when you have with Mama D at this point, you know, because Fanny man no support and can't have anything you want to have. Get it? The one who can't hear me. You can yeah, hear me the question I ask, you can't answer it because you're not sure, you're not a member, right?
Get away. Me done with
Don't bother
that.
add him
Never
back.
block him again. Because shit
Don't bother
house.
add him back. Yesterday me tell you say it's a shit house.
You man now answer, man. You Pino Wally in the background of him now. Okay, you Pino Wally.
We can't hear you.
Yeah.
The internet,
Yeah,
I'm
him say, oh, me go answer this now. And that him say,
Like you give
Yeah,
him
me hear it too.
I want to pause the game
And
a
that
while
the
ago.
answer enough.
You munch like I want to pause the game a while ago. I want to pause the game a while ago.
You need time to solve it.
But what the problem? Because me tell them all the while say them to answer.
him right.
He's saying,
Not in this election.
Question, Munchi, not in this election.
Well, Fanny
Me
man no
so
support. Fanny man no support, we don't have to waste time on him. But at least in tell we don't have to waste time.
subliminal messages. You know,
From
see,
him that
the
I support
them
we don't
on
have
him
to waste
page.
time for him.
Never found them
So,
yet.
in can go on.
Look here, cadet, that just go show you say cadet no have no push or no pull long there because cadet could not stop Belmont Road from putting back Mama D down there. And the argument just done. We name that for waste some time.
You got a TVJ, and that couldn't stop a lady from get back her phone.
More see classic too, you know. So tomorrow morning, I come alive when I call classic because I see classic I put up one candidate. If you don't have Alicia see more ask
Deal with already,
more
Munchie.
ask classic 2 questions. Who tell you say there's a vacancy and if you might pick candidate now. Someone will labor right to go sit down, me not tell a lie. Someone will labor right don't even have a membership up at Belmont. We don't have pay dues. We don't have paper, we don't have pay dues. We don't sign up farm and just have the peace sign farm phone on and labor right member sign farm phone on we don't send up a Belmont. We don't have pay dues. Eh? We don't pay no money, we don't registered member of the party.
That's all. I can mute bull.
Eh?
That's what Bola say.
Somehow no man, somehow no if you just relax, cause we do more harm than good. Somehow no need to go sit down and relax because we nah hold no meds. We don't see the political climate where we in and before no say make you know make with us, you don't hold it down like a G and keep things together cause election a come. We don't walk around and make be a problem. We don't walk when we don't choose candidate. Uno a cost candidate and a cost but no want this. Uno want vote. Uno want vote if uno not vote, it's okay. Just shut to the mouth and go about the business. Yes, no, some of Mr. Man. Me just a watch you know labor right. Me just a watch you because me say somehow no just heads up. You know, and
Munchie,
one man come off of the topic here. It's enough labor right plank. Them have tilt above them pay grade. Nobody don't know them. Nobody no hire them. Belmont would not call them. Belmont would not put them to work. And then the on social media go and work with Belmont. That's all me I go say. Belmont
yeah.
would not hire them. Belmont would not call them. They don't have no pull, no nothing. They just heads up. And then the on social media, I go and let them work and speak on behalf of Belmont Road and then work. That's all me I go say.
All of them, Munchie. James,
Yo.
you're a Rasta man. Look your own woman them and left me one them. Yes, sir?
Old games
Virgil, we can't say good night. How are you with that?
Don't bother with the something there, James. Look your own woman them. You're a Rasta man. And the woman
So
them
we
like Rasta man. You hear that, sir?
All right, my boss.
All right.
All right.
Parker.
Plank no play no.
Allow me and Chromas alone, man. Me and Chromas don't want no help.
Belmont
what
Road
taxes
can
have to do with Labour Party? Bill Jamrock, what does paying tax have to do with Labour Party?
That may I say it's a political party.
You need to block them, you know.
Eh? And Jack Frost, what we be careful? No man, somehow no two, somehow no good man. Cause we in election time now. Election can't call anybody now. And before us, we could come together and do what we have to uno hell bent and tear down the party and go on with yourself. Eh? Uno say election time now. Look in America. You know what Republican people don't like Donald Trump? You know what Republican people hate Donald Trump in a private and can't wait to see back at Donald Trump? You know you didn't go up on a TV and I said that. You know you didn't go up on a platform and I said that. They line up behind Donald Trump because they want them party to win. Eh? You think the Republican top head they hate Donald Trump like poison. Fox News hate Donald Trump like pies in the record of Tucker Carlson talk how much he hate Donald Trump. Mitch McConnell talk how much he hate Donald Trump. And the whole of them line up behind Donald Trump because they want the Republicans to win. And the whole of you think you not pay attention. You not pay attention. You not get distracted with PNP talking point and PNP narrative.
But if the same PNP, there's somebody don't like Mark Golding, but the majority
Exactly. Even at the PNP, everybody don't like Mark. You think that Philip Paul will like Mark Golding? Eh? You think say Michael and them one that none of them don't like Mark Golding, but for the sake of the party, them a ride out this time everybody mouth shut. Everybody mouth shut because they want a party to win. I want to labor rights on social media. Everything we don't agree, we don't make video. I want to start to cuss. I want to start to talk about we don't now vote. I want to this, I want to that, I want to this, I want to that. What wrong we don't know?
But
Eh?
the
That
thing
man,
about the thing about
It's labor right to do that.
the thing about it is this: who give them that authority? Fear pick who them want to run seat and fear.
hey,
Like, who give
hey,
them that
hey.
authority?
Petal, don't let go that now. Don't let it go. Please.
We don't
And
already know how the party go already.
Let
but,
it go.
but
We don't
plan,
already
plan.
know
Let
the
it go,
party
man.
go already. Enough time we don't agree. But we don't want it like a G because we know say because any candidate where the Jamaica Labour Party choose is better than a PNP candidate. Any candidate where the Jamaica Labour Party choose for South Trelawney is better than Pat Moore. Is better than whoever the PNP are come with. So we don't need to make no problem. Because anybody in a green shirt win is better than who the PNP are come with. Uno come up on yourself and uno make be a problem. Uno see how Donald Trump people hate Donald Trump. Right now, Donald Trump have the Republican Party in a chokehold and can't wait for Tuesday come. Then can't wait for Tuesday come because if he win, then ride out then 4 years with him, and if he lose, then he cannot run again. So then cut the hair and make him go on. But everybody mouth shut tight. Every Republican mouth shut. Donald Trump called Mitch McConnell wife Ching Chang to one tiny woman, and Mitch McConnell hate him. Mitch McConnell hate Donald Trump like a poison
Who will tell us a munchie?
because he catch him on tape attack saying don't like Donald Trump. They don't like him.
Then call it
They
Chinese
don't
people
like
up there.
Donald Trump, but it's when it comes to the party, they want them party in the power because they know when they party in the power, they can get them conservative judge and they can pass them conservative law and they can get them tax cut for the rich and they can get them this and they can get them that. So they prefer to bite them mouth and shut up and put in Donald Trump so they can get the legislation passed. And who no labor right look like we don't want Mark Golding for win. Look like we don't want Mark Golding for win. Say
Hey,
man
change
about
the
to Papa
subject. I
Norris can
can't
farm
win.
Mark
government.
Golden cannot win. He cannot win.
You
He
can't win.
now win
You
and he
see,
cannot win.
Who don't want Mark Golding a bunch of the Papa Norris to farm government. Who no see what happened when Mark Golding people in a government. Who no see what Amanda Omar Davis. Who no hear about the sweetheart deal and how much $1 million that was given to DB and G. And more that we don't want.
Wanna
The
see,
labor
Munchie.
rights are more that we
but
don't want,
guys,
man. Come in now, hold no meds.
wanna see your
Munchie.
PNP, wanna see your PNP go to work, PNP back them party at all time. Remember me come on here and me I say, oh, them charge $250 for go to the event. And the comrade come to him want him party to look good, so then now charge the $250. The man willing to come on the live and tell a lie, so there was no charge. And don't look up on the
Exactly.
and go find it.
Alright, still, ladies, I ask you to please get, they can cool down still, Petal and Munchie. They can
No,
cool down
man.
still.
No, man.
You know, say,
Who
I know you
now
feel
hold the
still.
meds,
You know you
man.
feel,
Munchie,
Munchie, man.
you should have come off a vacation next week. Where you come off this week for?
You know what I feel, man. When I count down our water down there, but can't no
And
sleep.
the boy will read post commentary of Philip.
All right,
Yeah,
Tracy.
after they're easy to open on their feelings and everything. Me nah vote. Me nah vote.
You're not touch world, Tracy.
He never tagged me and make me go viral. That fact.
But
Me
you need
nah
to,
vote. Me
you need to,
upset. Me nah call quick. Kedita say nah vote. Look how quick and easy.
So,
Kedita say
man.
nah vote.
See,
get
man,
a
I'm
batty boy, man.
looking at a mental case, man. Know that, man. Know that man, man. Everybody mention him again.
But Thomas, want to understand, you know, we when have no vote in a South Trelawney, you know. We can only talk and beat up with gum. People like Cadet, whether we want like it or not, him have a vote in the constituency.
Yeah, we soon
What you
go
want
over
about that, go away, man?
He
Him
never
alright.
vote
Election
down
day.
there.
Election
I
day
just
when
want to get
all of the
Munchie, man. Know him, man.
diaspora
Know
gonna
him, man.
right and be runner. Because we know if we be runner, you know. And we know how
Man,
to be a good runner. Get it
I
go
love
vote,
that.
man. Don't worry about him.
Dave,
I
you
love
know
that.
come
Nah,
up
tell
and down
lie.
with things.
Forget about him, man. But I
Him
waste
a
some
go
more
vote.
time, man. I waste some more energy on him.
Pat more na win, Pat more na contest. Even though me hear Pat more attack pan in live, I say, me ma go have meeting and Pat
Where am I
more
going to
na. We don't know
spend the money? Where am I
the
going to
party na
Munchie?
spend
Go
the
to
money for Pat
independent?
more.
Where we go to
Patmore
run
and KD
independent?
now, after running from down there.
You must
Yeah,
have run independent, man.
Patmore have so much money. Where Patmore using personal money and run as an independent?
Don't me say Munchi can run independent because party that take part. Since they want to run so much, you don't run independent, then man. Since
Right.
the party that take part. Nothing to do.
If you hear that, yes. I mean,
But can
one
say
more
man
thing,
challenge
guys.
which
One more
candidate?
thing. If the PNP have an 11-point lead and
Mamadi.
time come, or they not contest no at all 4
I
elections.
just one local thing they want contest. I don't want to send them because they feel say that PNP with that.
Propaganda
Because
Munchi.
with a 11-point swing to the PNP,
You must say Munchi.
easy win.
One they want
That's
contest.
a
One with that
propaganda.
St. Thomas, but then feel they can't win it. Then feel that PNP win. So they want to contest one at St. Thomas. The local.
No, but me say them go for the one in and town because we never win by a lot.
Them a got
But
in and town, but they can't beat it
Nah,
with
no,
in and town.
They're not running the MP one, the central government post. They're not take part in the election.
They say the one in and town is up for grabs
Yeah.
because we never win it by a lot.
Yeah.
And the road them down there in the terrible condition. I don't know in and town, but I go down there go see.
But you know, then say them are leading at the poll and Mark Walling up, so they don't want to come out and lose. I look like my idiot. So they don't want, you see me, they don't want to contest about the by-election then. True that.
No, but if the votes were
We don't have fake poll.
what is up them?
A fake poll, you know, man. We don't know our go poll, man. You don't know our
We don't know. The man said Mark Walling 30 and the Prime Minister said 30. Mark Walling 39 and PNP. You don't know.
That understand no St. Lucia. Murder, I don't want to catch up down there and murder him right now. Everyone give them poll long down the party say with other opposite. Other lose.
But with people like Chad, you know, when the poster come on, the posters I hear people after they now.
So we know myself and the Earth and Jamaica. I never say a poster come ask me a question yet.
Me either, brother.
Never.
I never book one of them.
But look on the American election. Remember, you know, the polls had Donald Trump up in every swing state when Uncle Sleepy Joe did a run. And from Uncle Sleepy Joe gone, Kamala take a little time and dance up beside. And right now, according to the poll, coming on know, choose the what we see. But according to the poll,
Biden Sleepy Joe. Biden can't Sleepy Joe.
You don't see that the man there, if you think it's all right.
Munchi, you know, the election are going right now. Some people are voting right now.
No, the vote is start a long time.
I know, but all right, Thomas. You think say the amount of work with Kamala Harris put in since she come in, state after state, 3 rally, 2 rally, up her last time me watch her, she at Wisconsin, she tired, you can see type on her. You think say Uncle Joe could have managed that?
No, the Pennsylvania right now.
We don't believe the American elections, but right now, if the woman them not find out the woman can vote for her, she can win still.
Yo, James.
Yo, family.
What do you make about the airport, you know? And Donald Trump come out of the airport, you know, brother. You know how long it take me to come out of the airport?
Hours.
Before the plane even land, them block off the whole like 95 and everything.
There's a potential president. That's what make sure secure him. See him here.
Hold on there.
I'm the former president to still.
Mr. Canada.
If you don't have that down that can't change, because he's a former president
Yes,
too.
Tamika, of course, Trump do more rally than her because Trump a campaign from 2021.
Mr. Canada, where they have Toronto police a guard Mark Walling. Who pay for that the money they for guard?
No, you.
What you say? Petal, so why your tax money, Petal?
Who want do him anything?
You should write an article, Petal, to the people.
As of my year, and excellent Oliver Canada.
If Hillary Clinton did not win, Trump will come down. First of all, Bill.
Yeah.
Bill.
Yes, the Prince of England got Canada and then he can't get security.
What ball but me mute ball for a few minutes, but I look like me I forgot mute ball or get rid of him. What him say? Let me see what him say.
If
I find it.
You know, if you mute him in cancer, Bill Jamrock, if Hillary Clinton did win. First of all, Hillary Clinton is running a different campaign than where Kamala run. Hillary Clinton took Michigan and the state if it granted. She thought she had them in the bag because the polls had her winning there. That is why Hillary Clinton never put in the work like what Kamala put in. Kamala all of the 3 rally.
But
Hillary Clinton never go and swing state.
Can't win.
Munchie.
Can't win. I mean, I don't know if they want. They can't win still, but we don't know America ready for
No,
that
we
woman.
not say she go win. We don't know who go win because